Motivation is the fuel you need to drive you to success. But problem is, many people lose motivation along the line. How can you stay motivated? We'll find out right now. Okay, so number one reason why people lose motivation is failure. When you've tried something back to back and you're not getting results, you begin to become discouraged. Okay, you feel that you can't make it. Okay, you get tired, you get frustrated, so you want to back out. Okay, somebody was telling me, I think I need to stop doing my business. I asked him why. He said, well, the place where my shop is, my landlord is giving me a lot of stress. Okay, he's always nagging. I don't think I want to do this business anymore. I do not want to do this business anymore. I'm closing shop tomorrow. And I told him, you want to close your shop tomorrow because your landlord nags. Why did you open this business in the first place? He said, well, I wanted a better future for my children. I want to support my family. I want to take care of my wife and children. That's why I started this business. I said, okay, your landlord's nagging and your ability to give your children and your family a better future, which one is bigger? He said, of course, the future of my family is bigger. You see, now you want to let go of something bigger because of something small. Your challenges are smaller than your goals. I'll say that again so that it will sink. Your challenges are always smaller than your dreams and your plans and your goals. But you see the mistake we make? We let go of big dreams because of small challenges. You have challenges around you. Everybody have challenges. But do not forget the bigger picture. What is the bigger picture? The reason why you started that business in the first place. The reason why you started that YouTube channel in the first place. The reason why you did what you did in the first place. That is the bigger picture, and that's what should make you stay on the grind. That's what should make you continue hustling, because you have a bright future. The future you are about to throw away is bigger than the challenge that is making you consider throwing it away. That's what you need to stay motivated in the face of failure. When you are failing, you keep failing and failing. Always remember that these challenges will pass. And these challenges are way smaller than your dreams and your ambitions that made you to start. So don't stop because of something that is smaller than the reason you started. The reason you started, you have plans. That was why you started. Those plans are bigger than the challenges that are about to rob you of that big future. Stay on the grind. Stay focused. Do not throw away your big plans because of small failures and challenges. Okay? So the number one reason people lose motivation is failure. They get frustrated, they get demotivated, and the solution to that is knowing that your plans, your dreams, your ambitions that made you start is bigger than what is about to make you stop. Reason number two, people lose motivation is success. I know a popular music artist in my country who, when he started out, his verses were loaded. The guy had punchlines. The guy would throw a punchline, intelligent wordplay that would take you 5 minutes to understand. And when you now understand it, you now appreciate the beauty, the ingenuity behind the verse. The guy was brilliant. The guy used intelligent wordplay, things that make you get thinking. The guy was creative. The guy put in energy and time into his craft. His verses were long and intelligent. Let's assume that his chorus is, Victor, Isiba reviews for you. The guy would go, for financial success, morally, spiritually, you need motivation to spoil your business to the next level. Then you go on YouTube to look for where you get this daily dose of motivation. Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Victor, it's Bible reviews for you. He loads his verses with, intelligent wordplay before he goes to the chorus. He doesn't just jump on the chorus. Years down the line, what happened? He made a few millions from music. He started hanging out with the ladies. He started partying. He was now dedicating less and less time to his craft. Now his songs sound like this. He will start with the chorus, what he never used to do. Now he has pot belly, so he cannot stress himself anymore. He has not even hired people that will be doing chorus for him because he's too lazy to do chorus now. He will say chorus. They will say, Victor, it's Bible reviews for you. It's his turn now to sing verse. Yeah, whoa, yeah. Yeah, whoa. Now his verse has become, yeah, whoa, yeah. He forgot how he got to the top. He's at the top now. He's saying, yeah, whoa, yeah. If you started your career singing, yeah, whoa, yeah, would you have become successful? No. Tell me, would you have become successful? Now you're acting like a big man. You became successful acting like a hustler. Now you're successful, you're acting like a big man. You're doing the opposite of what you did that brought you success. That means you want to set yourself on a lane that goes to destruction. You want to go from grace to grass. If you have enjoyed wealth and financial abundance before, don't pray to experience poverty again. That is the worst thing that can happen to a man. Going from grace to grass. Going from donating to charity to begging before you can feed. You don't want to do that. That's the worst thing that can happen to you. Okay? So, the same thing that made you attain success is the same thing that will keep you successful. That is deep. The same thing that made you attain success is the same thing that will keep you successful. It is easier to become successful than to stay successful. It is easier to become successful than to remain successful. People attain success every time. You can even win a lottery and you make a lot of money and you become a success. It's harder to stay successful than to get successful. Okay? You don't want to be at the top today and tomorrow you become a yesterday man. Oh, he used to be very good. He's no longer good. I have seen sportsmen, footballers who started very well, spending all their time on the training ground to become successful. Now, they become successful. Where do they spend their time now? In the clubhouse, having fun. Now, the question is, did you become successful spending time in the clubhouse? No. I've seen boxers. I've seen footballers. I've seen different sportsmen go down this path of destruction. Okay? So, as a successful person who is becoming less and less motivated, remember, you didn't become successful acting like you're successful. You became successful because of your drive, because of your hustling spirit. And the same thing that got you success is what you need to remain successful. Do not have any false sense of accomplishment. Do not get complacent. Always remember, the same thing that brought you success is the same thing that you need to stay successful. I hope this video motivated you and has got you thinking about how you're going to stay motivated. Okay? So for your success to become permanent after you become successful, you need to keep acting like you're still a hustler. You need to keep pushing so that you remain successful. Now, if this video resonated with you, I want you to give me a like. The YouTube algorithm likes, okay? Then share this video to motivate somebody out there. Then you look at these videos here, I recommend them 100%. You're going to derive value from watching them. Thank you. Till I see you next time. Salute. It's bye for now.